So David Coulthard is also being...
They are sorting him, but I don't think they haven't sorted him. Because they got the Coulthard, I don't have COVID, I got the idea, I don't want to. I don't have COVID, I got the whatever.
And what are they saying about the fact that the law is no longer applicable to Asprep?
That is what we want to hear. But what you have to do is, you must go and give an analysis of the way how issues of persecution are being abated at certain courts. You see the way how it will be treated. But there is no judge in any high court anywhere in the world, no matter how that judge is compromised, will uphold that judgment, that judge. Yeah.
And then how were the cells? Were you put in a safe, COVID-free space?
I was put in the cell which Shimon was. Yeah, so, they did not fumigate it, but the Wokwe is a suspect for COVID. He was just supposed to fumigate it. Yeah.